was the top stories. Manipur Chief Minister Biren flags off 5 mobile publicity events to highlight development works of government. Four political parties in Manipur to support INC candidate in Lok Sabha polls. Overnight hailstorm damages several houses in Churachandpur. And one contractor was bribed by Chief Minister Biren's family, claims KH Joy Kishan. Hello and good evening. You're watching Times of Manipur. This is Silky Chanambang with the news in detail. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh today flagged off 5 mobile publicity events which will highlight a series of development works being carried out by his government in various sectors, which will also spread information on the upcoming Lok Sabha polls. Manipur goes 2 polls in which 2 phases on April 11 and 18. National BJP leader and election in charge of Manipur, Nalin Kohli, MLA L. Susindro and a host of Manipur BJP leaders were present during the event held in front of party office Keshampat. Flagging off the events, Chief Minister Biren also said the publicity will disperse good work of Modi government in every nook and corner of Imphal and also a series of development works being carried out by the BJP-led coalition government in Manipur.
Lok Sabha election ki outer inner sigi oiba ikhoigi jaga jaga da sala kanda ikhoina mamangi sahi ani da sarkar jina tawjagi ba aduga loinana Narendra Modi ji gi adugumba magi leadership makha the last 5 years da bhata tawkhiba mayam adubu ningsing baga Manipur gi leiriba Kachen Kuya da leiriba singamli tamda leiriba praja singda ikhoigi na bahut ki bikhani jaba mayam ki cooperation mayam ki support aduga ikhoina tawjagi ba mayam do highlight toba adugi video van manga kha ikhoi launch tobuni ada Manipur gi mayam da ikhoina nahan kai ubiram da ba khangbiram da ba yawro gusu masi satli ba van gi akhoigi video gi films na singwa pura ga celebrate yeng bi rer ga ikhoina kayam yamna wana or leminari ba singtam gi marakta nuksina ba porakna na ba singtam thongmana na sakhona ba awa ana tarba solana tarba praja singe koina tokjagi bakhra si mayam da naina bina ba haidana da maina khoigi uhan janaba ina koina launch tokjabani da mayam puna magi support cooperation nijari haidana da maina thamjabani.
Janata Dal is Manipur Pradesh Trinamool Congress, Democratic Bharatiya Samaj Party Manipur and Samajwadi Party today announced to support Congress candidates contesting the ensuing Lok Sabha polls in Manipur. The decision was announced by Congress Legislature Party CLP leader Okram Ibobi Singh during a press meet at Congress Bhavan, Imphal. Ibobi said, although India being the largest democratic country, in recent years, the Bharatiya Janata Party BJP has adopted an authoritarian regime apart from challenging the religious underpinning and rights and freedom of the people. The former Chief Minister claimed that these 4 political parties aware that the BJP is an anti-democratic party. He said the decision was collectively taken by the leaders of these parties. Ibobi called upon the electorate to help Congress in ousting the BJP.
Destroy community amakapna leipak si salai gadabni haiba sigumba mayam sina bharat si kairak pa yabagi bharat ki integrity kairak pa yabagi takna attack tarok ng kairak pa yabagi bharat ki democracy ki wahan thok le ta ba dictator ki shasan se sungsoi na la pa yabagi mami mur pasilida koi punna mak support Congress candidate support tawna democracy kansi ano secularism kansi Bharat ki constitution protect tawsi haiba maroi ba agenda president da tawraga pagi Congress candidate who support tawbigani haidna la piriba leader tongan ba political parties ki leaders ki Congress party ki taraf tagi Congress Party ki bihaptagi taram-taramna welcome taujari.
Chairman of Secular Democratic Front, Manohar Goswami, who was present during the press meet, claimed that the decision to support Congress in the Sadhu Lok Sabha polls was taken after learning that the BJP stands totally against the wishes and freedom of the people.
Democracy concept targeti akoi Congress vote pi bai che natragati koi aso pu pai de na akoi hajabani akoi yaujage akoi vote pi jage akoi sange akoi punamak amato je chamna chi masigi jamukta akoi karma tau karma gi haidi sona pirakane ba gita gi wahi no atu kan khalaga mayam punam tum Misibiu, koi caman lagi koi mana-mana bau tinggal mana-mana cakap mina, hai ulah demokrasi saja ba, demokrasi presiden saja ba, adung ba, koi mayam je kunci harga, adung presiden.
Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee, MPCC, President Gaikhangam and leaders of the 4 political parties were also present during the press meet. Several houses in Basaikot area of Churachandpur district were damaged in the hailstorm and rain accompanied by strong wind that swept through last night. The hailstorm completely blew away the tin roofs of the houses, which were also well damaged. The worst hit area was Giant Wang of Mata village. The villagers were struggling hard to restore their houses. According to our Churachandpur correspondent, some of the hails were around half a kg, which did not melt down till 8 this morning. Manipur PCC spokesperson KH Joy Kishan today claimed that family members of Chief Minister N. Biren Singh recently bribed a main taking rupees 12,90,000 in connection with approval of a bill worth rupees 68 lakh for contract work of Khuga multipurpose project. The Chief Minister's family has indulged in corruption, Joy Kishan charged during a press meet at Congress Bhavan, Imphal. Flanked by Manipur PCC General Secretary Administration Hareswar Goswami and several party leaders, Joy Kishan further alleged that the rate of corruption in Manipur has gone up since the BJP-led government came. The Thangmaiban MLA claimed that the family of Biren took the money from one James Gangte from Churachandpur, a contractor. A complaint in this regard has been lodged at the Secretariat, he claimed. The Chief Minister should clarify the charges leveled against his family, Joy Kishan demanded.
Lana lo rubole ramagadi madugumadu general mioshing do kamai to no thito oga madu chapchaba maki maral sing adu Chief Minister na madu action lokar kani khali karigumba lalam dadana haribo nupasina lengak sibu amadi imu monibu chentarba oiragana complaint orbe nupasi mathakta action lokot pam Tui have say Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee na Thamba Hogi Wapamni. Chief Minister gi Luang Sangmungi Lebe Yumda Chief Minister gi Yum Amasung Security gi Electrification gi Damakta 30 lakh I thosi nagi. Yumda Leba Yum gi dabu residential masagi private Yumdabu government fancy na ya braba. Aru dari public property public ki Akoi government fund is public money never. Public money is phone number for
Now let's have a short commercial break.
Hello, good morning, sir. Welcome to Lamjingba Motors. How may I help you?
Lamjingba Motor na miyam da kana ba piri basing se kari no.
Khudong chaba kaya ma pizari. Akoina phanganjari ba products sing di trucks, tippers, haulage, bus, amasung chainset ni. Documents ichang-changdana adomi sale amadi matamanghandana loan gi khudong chaba pizari. HDFC Bank, Lamjingba Finance amadi Shriram Finance kasu khutsamnana junction minari. Matik charba khutsu khulai amadi crane yauraba. Ekhoi gi sport servicing van adongi damakta matampungbada leijari. Bus sing yonbada natana school, college, universities, office ki dama contract basis ta lobi bagi khudong chaba su thamjari. Amadi genuine lay parts sing su phangbigani. Adongi mai pakpana, ekhoi gi mai pakpana.
At Advanced Coaching Institute, Nagamapal, Lamabam Laikai, near Rims Road, opposite Koirenge Auto Parking. Science stream, the Council of Higher Secondary Education, Manipur Loba, Class 12 ki parikha, 3rd position, Yumnam Devsit, 9th position, Akoijam Badal Singh, 9th position, Konika Nomaitem, 10th position, Asem Koronganba, 10th position, Lystam Imoba Maitei, 15th position, Haubam Arvind Singh, Amadi, 17th position, the Sagolsem Biki Singh Ne. Arts stream da Anisuba position Takraba Takil Sangbam Sunaya Devi, 3rd position Yangkom Gunchenba, 4th position Texan James Singh, 5th position Warangtem Loya Ngamba, 7th position SS Obed Kharam, 8th position Takilamam Ores Maitei. Separated boys and girls hostel.
Nupa khaktabu sagai lepkani haiduna chakthoksan hingliba singse mama amana pokpani. Mama do nupi ne habase karmal.
Nipa poksunati. Ipa numanga tawdana ari amata senting na bathabang. Adugi mohotane lai de kabu kudumama katlaga lushanaga lor.
Aibu nangi angang lawna thamba miro. Sena bangamdragana nupi ni kaido doino. Khongbandra kaino hundok chu kaino. Nangna nacha nupa ma yawusinate do. Nangi nupi ama thirage dana leppe.
Piba amadi poktaba yadabane. Tawnariba mayam chi khangedana.
Yengu nang ngasimak yumsi thado sakadamni. Bojo ba ngasi ne mai ka du soran chalo. Mase mahi laina longnar kani.
Macha masugi ningba thunga loidoi oiradi kedo bokpiramino hatok
lemba
yadro
sagi sarang manungda imana kaya wan nang puduna chelaki imagi bema na matik saba mi mati oidaba yadaba
nang tamo khaktani
nushi diye
phai nang ngasi digi ai amon uni di khallu
kadai chatoiba
Pakistan salaga society bomber oiga sirage kaino idi nang pelo duda
nang honari do hanbalai tana dum honaga dabane Kaidoge
nangi husiki wahaido karino khangdana thamoida pale ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯔꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯤꯡꯆꯠ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯤ ꯕꯣꯝꯕꯦꯂꯥ ꯆꯟꯅ ꯃꯦꯔꯤ ꯀꯣꯝ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯅꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯃꯨꯡꯗꯒ ꯄꯣꯛꯂꯝꯂꯗꯤ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯍꯥꯠꯄꯤꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤ.
Welcome back. The SM Manjur Joint Action Committee JSC has called for a 48-hour Manipur total shutdown beginning 6 a.m. tomorrow. The decision was announced by convener of the JSC, Mohammad Salim, during a press meet at Yaripok. SM Manjur, a Manipur police constable, was allegedly died in police custody during interrogation in connection with the recent escape made by leader of Kangleipa Communist Party, KCP, T.H. Nando from Ortho Ward of Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, JNIMS, Imphal. The KCP leader is still absconding.
Kanba Khongjang Aikona 48 hours ki lauthokhiba aikogi mass protest adugi Makata boina, Aikoi Nasidagi Hongba Chains Karalajare, Hayeng Pung Tarukagi Horaga, Pung Nifuni Pangi, Total Shutdown, Manipur Pumba the Lautokle Haina, JSC convener Amoina Aina, Miam Punamakta Tamzari Amadi Preske Silina Singh, Punamakta Kanganzari. Loinana, Hairiba, Nasige, Ekogi, Lautoiba, Total Shutdown, Nasida, Ekogi, Northeast Conference, Laivana Maramoraga, Man Peki. Isilena Singh na sathok chasinda khudong chana na bagi damakta makhoi gi damakta de ekhoi relaxation tawba haina ekhoi warep laure loina na hairiba makhata bada JSC gi ekhoi gi fire service aduga ekhoi essential service haiba tare medical aduga asiguma mayam singa sidi haun hana ekhoi na tawna ba chatna bi aduga chapmana na makhoi gi de ekhoi komthokani haiba wafam asi JSC gi maikai dagi aduga
Brown sugar worth around rupees 1.87 crore was seized and arrested a man in connection with incident at Kudeng Thabi Post along Imphal More Road around noon today. The seizure was carried out by a combined team of More Police led by Additional Superintendent of Police K.H. Robinson and 12 Assam Rifles. A report said the contraband item was seized while checking a Maruti Alto car. The drug peddler has been identified as Haupu Haukip as the 33 years from Phaicham Vein in More. He has been handed over to More Police Station for further verification. Northeast India Development Party NEIDP today facilitated Manipur Pradesh Trinamool Congress General Secretary Administration, General Secretary, former Youth President, Executive Member and Secretary of Lamlai Block Congress Committee during a simple function at the party office. President of Manipur Unit of NEIDP, Dr. N.Z. Bijoy, welcomed and thanked them for joining the party.
Regional party asi lingagadi awabasi to a great extent akoi kokani habsin mayamna ki madudi regional party waragadi akoi persa kama in lakaduina so I raina ketang clarify tawjiningi si state ama hojik akoi bharat ki makhada bharat ke pullaga leiriba state amani magi state sigi chaktung sahi amagi budget ta loinama bharat ki budget ta masigi chaktung asi loinama yarmuk ta tawba ngaktani madugi ahen badudi makoi aikoina niruba kholuba darkar leibadugi matungina pirakpani swaida any IDPD North East India Development Party city akoi niro yebajine aikoi bharat tagi pimam thogu piro pigada madugi matungda aikoina darkar leiba poto manipuri ma leiba ki damakta aikoi tongan ba source tagi own source dei khangde foreign source dei khangde logum thogu jaga dagi loraga koi semgani hebajine.
A Chinese hand grenade was found planted in front of the main gate of Little Flower School located along Airport Road under Lamphal Police Station around 1:30 this afternoon. The motive behind the incident was not known, and no group has claimed responsibility. Authorities of the Catholic Institute refused to comment on the incident. Police said the grenade was retrieved and later defused around 3 p.m. Meanwhile, the banned Kangleipak Communist Party KCP People's War Group Marxist Center has claimed responsibility for planting a grenade in front of main gate of Little Flower School, Imphal today. A release from the outfit stated that a representative of People's War Group Marxist Center, Maoist Communist Party Manipur and leader of KCP CP Comrade Lanchenba planted a grenade to issue last warning to the Catholic Education Society Manipur. It further said that if the society does not comply with the group, they will not be held responsible for any consequences thereof. Further, the release blamed the Catholic Education Society Manipur for what it said failure to bring about a solution. A program on skill development was held at Integrated Checkpost ICP Moreh today. It was organized by 43 Assam Rifles Battalion in collaboration with National Skill Development Corporation. Commandant of 43 Assam Rifles, Sumit Sood, Major R.K. Sarma and Managing Trustee of Humanism Foundation, W. Rocky, Manoranjan Singh of KB Philanthropy and Northeast Analyse, NSDC, M. Jimik attended the program.
Training free the skill development training program people ki saruk amu oina mafam masida Manipur gi Moreh akoi Brahmaga akoi India ga tainaba Moreh gi mafam masida sida lairiba youth sing asida akoi gi free skill development training coursing pinanaba gi damak ngasi 43 AR gi akoi gi ICP gi game asida akoi gi kai kumnabai matik charaba akoi gi 43 AR gi commandant akoi gi Captain Sumit Hutna Sinbiduna mafam masida akoi mi chamari mungpunduna lairi mari mi chamari mungpuli basing sida akoina laiba ai na represent tawjariba Humanism Foundations atopa KB Philanthropy JCRI na chingba laiba mayam singa sina akoi na ngamjaba akoi na haijaba akoi na karamba hiramda specialized oibano haibasing aduda trade sing aduda angang singa sin mobilize tawraga mafam masida.
The Jeliangrong civil organizations, Jeliangrong Baudi, Jeliangrong Youth Front and Jeliangrong Students Union have appealed to the Jeliangrong electorate whose names are enrolled in the Outer Manipur Parliamentary Constituency to exercise their right in free and fair manner without acceding to any kinds of pressure from any quarter in the upcoming 17 Lok Sabha election. In a statement, Jeliangrong Baudi, Assam, Manipur and Nagaland said the electorate should not get confused that the most powerful weapon given by the India, Bharat, which is recognized as the biggest democratic country in the world to the citizen, is to exercise their democratic right to choose a right candidate as their representative by way of voting. Therefore, the electorate should not allow any force to interfere or influence or dictate upon you while taking decision and exercising your democratic right in choosing your own choice of candidate to represent you for 5 years, it added. There are reports that functionaries, cadres belonging to NSC and IM are strongly campaigning for NPF candidate by holding meetings in some villages, although those meetings were learned to have been not given cooperation nor well attended by the Jeliangrong people, which were the manifestation of the Jeliangrong people that the people cannot be fooled every time, the statement added. Manipur police continued to hunt for escaped leader of Kangleipak Communist Party KCP today. At around 7:30 a.m., A police team under overall supervision of Additional Superintendent of Police Operations, Imphal East conducted search operations in the general areas of Samusang Village, Simol Village, Khongtal Village, Tusumzang Village and Bolzang Village. The team also paid a surprise visit to Sinai Camp where cadres of KLA and KNA are staying. The two Kuki underground groups are currently under suspension of operation. Security has been beefed up in Imphal ahead of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit. The state police today conducted massive search operation in different parts of capital Imphal. Modi will visit the state on April 7 to campaign for BJP candidates. Lok Sabha polls in Manipur will be held in two phases on April 11 and 18. Such operation was carried out in the surrounding area of Ningombamkul near Imphal International Airport under Singjamay Police Station from 5 a.m. till 7 a.m. The operation was conducted under the supervision of Imphal West Superintendent of Police K. Megachandra. Altogether, 130 houses were searched and 380 individuals were verified. No arrests were made. Separately, Imphal West Commando Bazaar Unit carried out search operation at Maharani Thong, Masjid Road, Kakulong and Pauna Bazaar in Imphal City. Altogether, 124 people were verified during the operation, which began at around 7:45 a.m. and continued till 8:30 a.m. No arrests were made. Advisor of Progressive Recovery Community Friends Imphal, Famila Tuithang, today said that involvement of government officials, politicians, police and ADC members in drug smuggling cases has become a major obstacle in the efforts to put an end to the drug menace in Manipur. Speaking during a People's Convention jointly organized by Progressive Recovery Community Friends Imphal and Kermi More on the theme Illegal Use of Drug, Challenges with Drug Uses by Children and Future of Manipur, held at Lamyan Basangleng, Tuithang further said that the current drug issue in the state has created a serious situation. So it is high time that civil society organizations and leaders of church to come out together for a solution.
Supply di hangate government officer yauri samna haibakanda koi paper clipping sulayi government gi politician yawi police yawi MLA yawi recently ADC member ama arrest tore ko aduku mayam government nasu asigi thabak si moi yaura e thingbagi muhutta kanana thingbidoino hojikti leibaki leader mayam na susidi changsil e business hi the trade smuggling or e aduna asisi thingba why adubu leptana koi voice thokpa movement tawadi koi lepadi yadi.
Later, a poster named Why No to WY was released and several experts spoke on the topic in two sessions. Today's convention resolved to urge the government to formulate a drug policy and to review the issue. 5 cricketers from Manipur will take part in the upcoming Senior Men's Game to be held for the first time in Northeast by Board of Control for Cricket in India, BCCI and National Cricket Academy, Bangalore. 25 cricketers from different Northeast states will participate in the game, which will be held from 10 April to 4th May in Manipur. The players who will represent Manipur in the game are Biswajit Konthauzam, Thokchom Kishan, Pukrambam, Prafulom Mani, Kangbam Priyozit and Lamabam Azay. Many well-known coaches will take part in the cricket camp. Once again, let's have a short break.
Lamjingba Nidhi Limited ki members singda akaknaba matam khara khakki oina khudongchaba sing pizari. Khudongchaba sing adudi saving account hangbada chada lupa taruki interest pizagani, fixed deposit amadi recurring deposit ki oina chada lupa taragani thoi makhai interest pizagani. Daily deposit ki oina su chada lupa taragani thoi makhai interest pizagani. Karigumba members singna business loan, personal loan natraga mortgage loan laubiragadi sada lupa taragani pandagi lupa kungi apik pasendoi haibadi reducing rate ta loan lobi bayagani akaknaba matam khara khakki oiba khudongchaba sing asi lobiranaba members singda ningsingjari. Masiga loina loinana kanagumba member oidribasingna member oibinaba aikhoigi office ta lengsin birau amadi akupa marol sing tanabiu aikhoigi address Lamjing Banidhi Limited near Nityananda Mandir Nagamapal Rims Road Imphal West mobile 9366857001 email lamjingbanidhi@gmail.com website www.lamjingbanidhilimited.com Lamjingba Jewelry na adom-gidamak khwaidagi asengba sana khwaidagi ahongba sana asamalda fanghanjari aikhoigi service singdi inat ki oiba design sing ready made ta fanghanjari singnaningai oidraba asengba sana khaktamak pizari manung matam sana order delivery sing pizari sana asamal khwaidagi nemna logzari nomaizing numitsu adom-gi service ta leizari Ngasimak lengsin birau Lamjingba Jewelry Private Limited DM College Road opposite Memsi Mall Thangmaiban Imphal West email lamjingbaJewelry@gmail.com website www.lamjingbagoldbank.com contact us at 764293445 and 940-299-2391 Lamjingba Jewelry, good quality is our priority.
This is true. No matter where we're at and how busy we were, we may not get the time to spend the whole day together, but a time always brings us together when we are dining, especially when gathered around such divinely crafted amenities.
Welcome back. The Center on Monday extended the disturbed area take under Armed Forces Special Powers Act (AFSPA) for 3 districts of Arunachal Pradesh for 6 months till September 30. The 3 districts are Tirap, Changlang and Longding in the state, according to reports, but the disturbed area take has been removed from 3 other districts of the state. A review of the law and order situation in Arunachal's 6 districts were undertaken before the March 31st deadline for the validity of the disturbed area designation under the AFSPA. The decision to enlist 3 districts of the state as disturbed area has been taken after considering the present law and order situation in 6 districts of the state. In Mizoram, the NGO Coordination Committee, consisting of the parent NGOs of the state, CYMA, MUP, MHIP, MZP and MSU, held a meeting on Monday where they decided to boycott the Lok Sabha polls. A statewide indefinite ban has also been called starting from April 8, 2019. The ban has been called upon over the use of polling locations for the Bru refugees residing at Tripura transit camps. The NGO Coordination Committee had demanded to have the Brus residing in Tripura transit camps cast vote in their respective polling stations without creating special polling stations. In response to the planned hesitation, the Mizoram Chief Electoral Officer Ashish Kundra responded saying the NGO's decision is unfortunate. The CEO said he will appraise the matter to the ECI and take further action as necessary. Congress today released its Manifesto 2019 titled Congress Will Deliver the Lok Sabha Elections, the national media reported. At the manifesto release, Congress President Rahul Gandhi said the manifesto is truthful and reflects the voice of the people. The manifesto is a massive step for Congress. When we started this process a year back, I told them that this manifesto should reflect the wishes of the people and whatever is present in the document should be truthful, Gandhi said. Adding that the manifesto is a marriage of wealth and welfare. The party said the document will address the concerns of the farmers, youth, women, industries, minorities, healthcare, foreign policy, national security, among others. Few of the key points in the manifesto include separate Kishan budget, single slab GST and filling 22 lakh government vacancies. Rahul Gandhi also said that the party will scrap NITI Ayog once voted to power. On NYAI, Rahul said the party will target 5 crore families and will ensure a cash transfer of Rs 72,000 a year. The angel tax on startups will be withdrawn completely. The report further quoted Gandhi as saying, as the countdown begins on the 2020 Myanmar Parliament polls, Aung San Suu Kyi's ruling National League for Democracy (NLD) could take heart from this week's clean sweep of the Yangon city polls. 90 out of the 91 NLD candidates who contested the Yangon City Development Committee (YCDC) elections had won. As many as 272 candidates of different parties and independents contested the 105 seat in the YCDC, results for which were declared on Monday, a day after the polls were held. Now let's have a look to some of the newspaper headlines published in some local dailies.
The People's Chronicle. Court props Manzoor's death. Another suspect critical. MIT demands arrest of police murderers. People uneasy over mere mention of BJP, says Hangan Pao. Dr. Lorho bets for respecting ethnic aspiration. Non-competent enough to take on Prime Minister Modi, says Bhavananda. The Shanghai Express. Narendra Modi, Amit Shah to join poll campaign. R.K. Ranjan puts blame on previous MPs. BJP to increase tally in West Bengal, Odisha and Northeast, says Amit Shah. Custodial death of Manzoor continues to draw condemnations. Weaker sections at the receiving end, says Dams. Congress smells red in Lukhosi's release. Imphal Free Press. 48 hours mass protest launch. JSC against custodial killing of Manzoor. CVOs demand government action. Written assurance. MPCC demands punishment for Amba President and SP of Imphal West. Consultation program on human rights, social movements and law held. Villagers of Tausem repair their own road. The Morning Bell. Public meeting demands CBI probe on custodial death of constable. Social Welfare Department asks to ascertain inclusion of disabled girl in electoral roll. Properties worth over 1 crore rupees gutted in fire at Semol. Sisipur Recovery Center celebrates first Foundation Day.
Before we wind up the news bulletin, the top stories once again. Manipur Chief Minister Biren flags off 5 mobile publicity vans to highlight development works of government. Four political parties in Manipur to support INC candidates in Lok Sabha polls. Overnight hailstorm damages several houses in Churachandpur. And one contractor was bribed by Chief Minister Biren's family, claims KH Joykishan. That's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur for more updates. Thank you.